Welcome back to Hawkenstein, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. Had a bad transmission in it. Currently, the job is done. The engine is running. Getting up the temp for the transmission and for the coolant. Winding out the power steering system. And there's our old tranny right there. That's what came out of her. Smoked, did not want to move, bucking, slipping, junk. But we got the new one in now. We're getting her up to temp, and then we'll take her for a test drive and see how she goes. Alrighty, buddy. Thanks for watching.